Good morning. I gotta go get the cat, bring him inside. I just gotta get ready for the new video. I'm just off to the park today with the girls. No, you're wearing socks. Lilo! No, stay here, he's coming. Yeah. He brings his black little feet inside. I'm just off to the park today with the girls. It's Park and Broad Beach. I've been to it before, but I don't think I was vlogging then, so you guys would have never seen me go to this place. Yeah, I just did I was just playing around and I just did a pop of green or bluey green in the middle and gold on the edges, and just some liner, just thinly liner, with a kind of natural lip. This is surface. You excited, girls? I look more excited than them. I need to wipe your mouth in this, ain't he? Are you in a boat? Go on. Hello. Come on. Up here. Oh God. Wowzers. Come on. Are you okay? You what? Look at my monkeys. Monkeys, come on. There. Having a snack attack. Say hello, everyone. I'm having so much fun. We've been here for most of the day now and it is so nice. Coda's trying to shoo them with the jacket. Hi, buddy. Hi. Oh, you come back for more food? Mummy's coming. Oh, look, the bird. Coda, look. Coda. Here. It's 1:30 and we've just left. I've been there since about 10ish or a little bit after 10, so we spent the whole day there pretty much. Got a bit of a tan on too. Larissa laid out a picnic rug and I think I got a bit of a tan. I hope I did. But how nice. It's actually a nice day for the actual beach, which was just, we were like right on the beach. It's a big gated park that's right next to the beach.
But I had a raincoat, please. Enjoy the tickets, enjoy the Ekka. No problem at all. Now, we've got 2 more...
We're home now. The girls woke up. I just got them some chips and some nuggets. And they're watching The Reef. I got myself a frozen Coke. Carla. 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 What's that? Beep beep. Beep beep. Alright, okay, beep beep. Hello, Barbie. What's your name? Oh, cuddles. Aww. I'm just studying over my notes. I was just sitting here. So it's come to that time of the night again. The yogurt is down. And I'm sitting with this precious little girl named Pussycat.
Who's that?
Lilo.
Lilo. Lilo, I'm tired too.
Yeah.
Oh, I was afraid of you.
He's trying to get close to me. Nizoni loves him so much. It's so cute just watching her love him. She just sits there going and kisses and cuddles him. And she does this a lot. She kind of like rubs her whole face into his face. You want to say goodnight, Nizoni?
Good night.
No, say goodnight, everybody.
Good night, everybody.
Say goodnight, Lilo.
Good night, Lilo.
Good night.
Good night. Ow.